Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Sad Seth from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off in the middle and let's draw the mouth with a rounded triangle shape. Next, around it, let's draw another shape in the same way. Now let's hop inside and draw the teeth. Let's draw two on an angle at the top. And then two more going down on either side. And then let's add three more on the bottom. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's hop up and draw the eyes. We'll start with two circles above it here. And then inside, let's draw another set of circles. And then let's color these in black. Next, let's hop up and draw a smaller set of eyes in the same way. Let's make these ones a little bit closer together like this. And lastly, let's add one more set of eyes underneath the mouth here. And this one we're going to make larger. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's hop up and draw the shape of the head. Let's start at the top above the eyes and let's draw a curve. Then from the sides, let's curve it down and then bring it out. Now for the end, let's draw a large curve up, over, and back down. And the same thing on the right. Now for the ends, let's curve it back in the same way. Next, let's hop to the top above the head and let's draw another set of tentacles. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a wavy line up like this. And the same thing on the right. Now from the end, let's curve it back down in the same way. Now let's hop down and draw another set below here. We'll start next to the left eye and let's draw a curve down out, and up like this. And the same on the right side. And again from the end, let's curve it back in the same way. Now let's draw another set going down. Let's start by drawing a wavy line down, and then we're going to bring it out with another wavy line. And the same thing on the right. And again, let's follow the same curve in underneath. Next, let's hop in and draw the legs. On the left, let's leave a gap and let's draw an S-shaped curve down. And the same on the right. Now let's hop in and let's draw the same curve down, but make it a little bit longer, like this. And then add the feet with the curve out and back in. Now let's hop back up and finish drawing the bottom of the body. On the left side of the leg here, let's draw a curve down. And the same on the right. Now let's continue that curve in between the legs, like this. And lastly, let's draw 3 curves across the body. And that's it for Sad Seth. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!